Namaskar and welcome to Dr. Ki Baat. Today we are going to discuss why it is important to get a second dose of the COVID vaccines. We all know that we are seeing a drastic reduction in corona or COVID cases around us, and we have achieved 100 million vaccinations in our country. That's a remarkable achievement. But do we know that only 30% or just more have got 2 doses completed of this vaccine? That means a lot of people are still not into the arena where we can say they have complete immunity due to COVID vaccines. So, why it is important to get the second dose of COVID vaccine? Let's see scientifically meaning of this with me in Dr. Ki Baat.
डॉक्टर की बात.
So we all know that many vaccines are scheduled for having 2 doses. Why is it so? Well, that's because of a scientific phenomenon called prime boost phenomenon. What is this prime boost phenomenon? Let's understand this prime boost phenomenon. When you take the first dose of a vaccine which is desired for 2 doses, the immunity starts mounting in your body after 10 to 14 days of vaccination. This immunity keeps on rising and reaches up to a level. Now, after the desired interval, when you take the second dose of this vaccine, you have a boosting effect of this second dose, and your immunity starts going up and up to a maximum level where now your body can protect you against the deadly effects of the disease, and it saves your life from that particular disease. So, this is a 2-dose phenomenon. Here, the first dose is called prime, or the process called priming, and when you give the second dose, that second dose is called booster dose. Hence, this phenomenon is called prime boost phenomenon. So, this is how the prime boost phenomenon is designed to be used for many vaccines. We know that the popular vaccines like vaccines in USA, Moderna and Pfizer, the vaccines used in India like Covaxin, Covishield, or even the Russian-made Sputnik vaccine. These all vaccines use this prime boost phenomenon to boost the immunity level to a great extent, and that would in turn prevent the deadly effects of this particular disease called COVID, and we will be protected from dying. So that's why 2 doses are needed in all these vaccines, and we need to follow that. Now you may have a question that these are all seems to be theoretical. Does it have a practical implication in our real life scene? Well, we have a proof for that too. Recently, in June 2021, ICMR has done a tremendous study on our police jawans, and they have come out with a remarkable display that out of 1,17,000 plus jawans which were been included in that study, if we look closely, they have been divided on 3 groups. First group, which did not receive any vaccine dose at the time of the study. Second group, who had received 1 dose of this particular vaccine. And the third group was those who had received both the doses of the vaccine. And when they went to see the end analysis or the end results of these vaccinations, they found out that during that second wave, despite being on the high risk duty zone, this particular police jawans who were being inoculated or immunized with 2 doses of vaccines had a very, very meager mortality rate among them compared to 1 dose or 0 dose. So that proves that 2 doses protects quite a bit better compared to no dose or 1 dose. Let's see what Dr. V.K. Paul from Niti Aayog had to say about this particular study.
और ध्यान से देखिए सेकंड रो में अगर 1 डोज मिली है तो 82% वैक्सीन इफेक्टिवनेस हुई, मोर्टेलिटी 82% नीचे आ गई 1 डोज, और 2 डोज मिली हैं तो मोर्टेलिटी 95% नीचे आ गई, 5% ही रह गई. कंक्लूजन है कि 2 डोजेज ऑफ वैक्सीन in this study, real life study, were successful in preventing 95% deaths due to COVID-19. And this is in the midst of the second wave driven by Delta variant.
So now we all can say that when we take 2 doses of vaccine, we get a protection of up to 95%, meaning that chances of our dying or getting the deadly complications of COVID reduces up to 95% compared to the one dose phenomenon where we get usually protection up to 82% and our chances of getting deadly effects or death reduces up to 82% compared to those who have not received a single dose of vaccine. So I urge all the countrymen to take both the doses of these COVID vaccines so that we can protect each and every one of us and prevent the further lockdowns or further waves of COVID in our country. And that's what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is also urging us.
अब हम राज्य का हिसाब, जिले का हिसाब उसको भूल जाए। हम हर गांव में भी मोहल्ला, उसमें भी वो 4 घर बाकी रह गए तो 4 घर, बारीकी की तरह हम जितना जाएंगे हम परिणाम प्राप्त करेंगे।
So let's build our nation by a proficient immunization of our countrymen and achieving a mark of more than 60% 2 doses vaccination, making India safe, and let's not have any further casualties because of COVID or no lockdown in the future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.